Hi students, today we are going to discuss about Asia and Europe, which is in the 6th standard social science, term 3, lesson 1 in geography part. Now, in the last videos we have discussed about the continent of Asia. Now we are going to see the same remaining portions. Here the first topic is the northern lowlands. The northern lowlands, the most extensive lowland in Asia, is the Siberian plain. It extends from the Ural mountains in the west to the Verkhoyansk range in the east. This is the northern lowlands. This is here called northern lowlands. Next, the central highlands stretches from Turkey to the Bering Strait. There are two knots found in Asia. They are one Pamir knot, the another one the Armenian knot. Usually, knot refers to the convergence of mountain ranges. Once again, knot refers to the convergence of mountain ranges. Here, the Hindu Kush ranges, Suleiman ranges, the Himalayan ranges, the Tian Shan range radiate from the Pamir knot. The Hindu Kush range continues westwards under Elbrus, whereas the Suleiman ranges continues southwest as the Zagros range. The Elbrus and the Zagros converge at the Armenian knot. The Taurus and the Pontine ranges radiate from the Armenian knot. The Taurus and the Pontine ranges radiate from the Armenian knot. The other important mountain ranges are the Great Himgan, the Altai, the Verkhoyansk, and the Arcanian Yoma. The Himalayan mountain range is the highest mountain range in the world. Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, is the highest peak in the Asia as well as among the world. The lowest point in the world is located in Dead Sea in Asia. Dead Sea in Asia. Intermontane plateaus are found in these mountain ranges. The important plateaus are 1. The plateau of Anatolia, which is in the Pontine to Tauruses. 2. The plateau of Iran, which is in the Elbrus to Georges Mount. 3rd one, the plateau of Tibet, which is in Kunlun to Himalayas. Here we are going to see one important things that you want to know now. Tibet is called the roof of the world. Roof of the world. And it is also known as the third pole because of its cold weather. Largest reserve of fresh water and inhabitable environment. Just I am going to repeat this. Tibet is called the roof of the world, and it is also known as the third pole because of its cold weather. Largest reserve of fresh water and inhabitable environment. So this is in this year. Then the Khyber Pass is located in the Suleiman range. Khyber passes. The Bolan Pass is located in the Doba Kakar range. Doba Kakar range. Okay, you know what is the importance of these two passes? Okay, we will discuss in the remaining portions. Then we are going to see the third topic, the southern plateaus. The southern plateaus. The plateaus are relatively lower than the northern plateaus. The four important southern plateaus are the Arabian Plateau, which is in Saudi Arabia, the Deccan Plateau, which is in India, Shah Plateau in Myanmar, and the Yunnan Plateau in China. Among these plateaus, the Arabian Plateau is the largest plateau. These are the southern plateaus of Asia. Okay, my dear students, in the next video we are going to see the another topics of the ancient continent. Thank you.